Follow these steps to make a geometric art design project and express yourself through coding and art. First, you're going to click this bottom left Add Extension tab, and inside you will see an option for a pen. Click on this. Mine was already added, so it might take yours a second, but here's the pen. It has all these different features where you can make whatever sprite you choose actually draw. So next we need to grab a sprite. I'm going to choose from the library, and I want this ball. I'm going to get rid of my original sprite and have just the ball featured. Okay. Next, I am going to write the program. So using the commands on the side, I'm going to start by choosing the Events tab. So with Events, when the green flag is clicked, I'm going to choose this command so that when I run the program, it starts automatically and I don't have to click anything else to make it happen. Then I'm going to go to my pen category and I want to choose the Erase All. This will make it so that when the program starts, it will get rid of whatever else was done if I had run the program once before. Next, I want to choose Pen Down. That will make it start writing, and Set Color to. All right, so now you can choose whatever color you want by clicking this and choose whatever color you so desire. I'm going to do blue for today. All right, motion category, choose. So the next part, we go here, we're going to move 10 steps. And I want to move more than 10 steps. 10 steps wouldn't go very far. So I'm actually going to change this to 100. All right. Then we're going to choose in the motion category, still in the blue, this turn 15 degrees command to continue with our algorithm. And with this, I'm actually trying to make a square. So if my first side is going to be 100 steps, to turn it to make my second side, I'm going to turn it 90 degrees because, as you know, all squares have 4 90-degree angles. All right. Next, I'm going to go to the control category, and I'm going to use this repeat block or the loop. So I'm going to use this instead of pulling the move and turn 4 times because all good programmers would, use this loop block instead of doing the same thing over and over and over again. That's why we're using the computer. All right, so then we go to control category. We use the repeat. And now I want to go back to the motion category because after I make one square, I actually want it to turn a little bit. And I'm going to turn the opposite way and turn left just 15 degrees to make this square again over and over and over. So this would actually just make one square and then turn it to the side. I can run it to show you what we have so far. Okay, so it's just one square, but I want to make squares go all the way around the screen. So I'm going to go back to my control tab, and instead of looping this just 4 times, I'm going to loop it a bunch of times. So I may play around with this a little bit just to see what it does. All right, so I'm going to run it once. Ooh, that gives me 10. Okay, cool. I'm actually going to do 25 because I want it to go all the way around. So run it. We see that now. We make this pretty cool design go all the way around. All right, and lastly, so you can play around with this and change the colors and all of that, but the last thing I want to do is write a second algorithm to make it, so I'm going to go to events, start a second category, and at the same time that this is happening simultaneously, I want it to change colors. So I'm going to use a forever loop because I want it to run for the entirety of the program. I'm going to go back to my pen. And this time I want to change my pen color. And notice that this is a number. It's not saying that I want to change it to pink and then red. So I can actually change the color by 10 or 10 different color sets all the way through. All right, so let's run it again, see what it looks like now. Awesome. So this is my program and how I am expressing myself through art. So you can change it to all different shapes and different ways that you want it to look, different colors. You can express yourself through programming in art. Have fun.